All right, so we got the old one out. It did have a vent though. It just had fell off in the leaves. But I went and pulled it off. It was all falling off anyway. It wasn't secure at all. See, the way they did this is wrong. It's supposed to be a glass plate with a hole made. They didn't do it right, so there's no way to screw it in. You can't screw screws into glass. So what I did is an adhesive sealant outside grade around, on the inside and around it, and it's all sealed this way. It's got the grate underneath and all that. But so the thing is, it's not hooked up inside. It was detached from this anyway, so that's why I like to have access to a house, you know, both ways, because sometimes things ain't right inside. So I have a tube here, the connector on the other side, like this end here. So they just need to get it. This needs to cure for a while and harden up and settle first though. But then they can connect their flexible one onto this with a flash tape and or a clamp, whatever they got over there on that side of it. So they need to wait for this to cure before they hook it up though. So I'll give you a message on that. But there you go, that's it. I guess that's a little bit of an upgrade from what you had. This is trash now, so if I gotta be called back out to install it on the inside, let me know. That's what I probably should have did anyway, but at least we got the outside part done on a very nice day.